Yes, sasariwain ko ang magandang awiting inawit ng aking iniidolo na si Victor Road upang si Victor Road ay manatili sa ating puso at isipan kahit siya ay wala na. Kaya sariwain ko ang kanyang nakaraan. Ihandog ko ang awiting ito sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na mga taga-subaybay sa iba't ibang panig ng daigdig. Para sa inyong lahat ang awiting ito. May pamagat, Cheryl Moana Marie. Cheryl Moana Marie, back home she waiting for me. Cheryl Moana Marie, there on the shore to waiting so patiently. In the sleepy little town, their soft breezes blow. There a lovely little Maui miss I used to know. Someday I find my way and I return from over the sea, where my island sweetheart wait for me. Cheryl Moana Marie, back home she waiting for me. Cheryl Moana Marie, there on the shore she waiting so patiently. Cheryl Moana Marie, someday a waiting will end. Safe in my arms she will be, my Cheryl Moana Marie. Cheryl Moana Marie, someday a waiting will end. Shape in my arms so will be, my Cheryl Moana Marie. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay po mga minamahal kong mga taga-subaybay. Please like and share po.